My name is Edgar Nolasco, and I'm the Director of the Consumer Environmental Protection Agency. So what we're doing today here is really showcasing our drone technology for better utilization and a more sustainable approach of combating the larvicide of mosquitoes. So what this drone does is it sprays chemical or pesticide that's EPA approved in order to kill larvicide mosquito, which then prevents them from going into adulthood and flying around and biting all of us.
I'll go into the programming on the ground control station and I'll tell it how high to fly, how fast to fly, where to fly, how wide the swath width is. Once I got it all pre-programmed, all I got to do is hit a button and it'll take off, go spray, come back, land on its own. In terms of precision of the drones, they are GPS guided. When they fly to a waypoint, they're there, they're on the money. This is good for the community because it means that we're not putting product where we don't want it.
Some mosquitoes is carrying the diseases, and we're trying to control those larvae in immature stages before they become adult. Drone is one part of our operation, but I like it. All the public help us to find the mosquito sources in their backyard, because there's a lot of sources actually is in the backyard which drone cannot help, but they can help, or they can call us, who will be there to control those sources.
Being part of a solution is what really drives me as a public servant, and being part of this county. Utilizing technology, being innovative, always for continuous improvement, and that's why I am really excited to launch this drone technology with you today.
A lot of mosquitoes get bred out here, but that's what I'm here for.